As we age, our bodies undergo changes that are sometimes hard to notice until the consequences become unavoidable. One of the most serious but often overlooked issues is muscle loss. Also known as sarcopenia, this is not just a sign of aging, it's a hidden threat to the health and quality of life of older adults. Over just a few years, seniors can lose up to a third of their muscle mass, severely affecting their ability to move, maintain balance, and care for themselves. This decline not only reduces independence but also increases the risk of falls, fractures, and even hospitalization due to accidents that could otherwise be prevented. Surely, you wouldn't want yourself or your loved ones to fall into this situation, right? Fortunately, there are simple yet highly effective solutions we can adopt right now to maintain and even restore muscle mass as we grow older. One of the most powerful solutions is choosing the right foods to support and protect our muscles. Seemingly simple foods contain essential nutrients that can reverse muscle loss. Recent scientific studies have shown that adding foods rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to your diet can help older adults restore muscle mass, improve strength, and enhance mobility. In this article, we'll share with you the incredible foods that help maintain muscle health in older adults. These foods not only preserve muscle mass but also reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and keep bones and joints healthy. You'll be surprised to learn how a simple change in diet can have a profound impact on your long-term health. Don't let muscle loss become an inevitable consequence of aging. Let's explore these remarkable foods that help you stay strong, independent, and active, even as you age, as we dive deeper into the science of muscle loss and how it impacts older adults. It's important to understand that sarcopenia is not just a cosmetic issue, but one that directly affects physical function, independence, and overall health. Muscle mass plays a critical role in mobility, strength, and the ability to perform everyday tasks like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or simply standing up from a chair. When muscle mass declines, these activities become increasingly difficult, leading to a vicious cycle of reduced physical activity, further muscle loss, and potential health complications. The good news is that sarcopenia is not irreversible. With the right dietary choices, muscle loss can be slowed, stopped, and even reversed. One of the most effective ways to combat muscle deterioration is by incorporating muscle-preserving foods into your daily diet. Let's take a closer look at some of the top foods that have been shown to promote muscle health and prevent the effects of aging on muscle mass. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse food for muscle preservation. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes a special straining process that removes excess liquid, concentrating its protein content. Just one serving of Greek yogurt can provide up to 20 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that ensures a steady release of amino acids to muscles over time. Consuming it before bed can be especially beneficial, as it helps prevent muscle breakdown during the night when the body is in a fasting state. It's also packed with calcium and vitamin D, which are vital for both bone and muscle health. To get the most benefits, opt for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt and avoid varieties with added sugars. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer a unique combination of nutrients that support muscle health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, which have been shown to reduce inflammation that can contribute to muscle breakdown. Omega-3s also improve muscle sensitivity to protein, making it more effective in stimulating muscle growth. Moreover, fatty fish are an excellent source of vitamin D, a nutrient many older adults are deficient in. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle function and strength. Including fatty fish in your diet just twice a week can significantly reduce muscle loss and improve strength over time. For those who have difficulty preparing fish regularly, high-quality fish oil supplements can provide some benefits, though whole food sources are always preferable. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-packed food that should not be overlooked in the fight against muscle loss. Despite the common focus on egg whites for protein, it's important to recognize the benefits of consuming whole eggs. Whole eggs contain all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair. And the yolk is particularly rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. In fact, Recent studies have shown that consuming whole eggs after exercise can enhance muscle building by up to 40% compared to eating only egg whites with the same amount of protein. Eggs are also a great source of vitamin D and choline, which support muscle and overall health. Incorporating 1 to 2 eggs into your daily diet, especially at breakfast, can have a significant impact on muscle preservation. Nuts and seeds offer a plant-based source of protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients that are crucial for maintaining muscle mass. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds, for example, provide significant amounts of protein and magnesium, a mineral necessary for muscle contraction. Magnesium deficiency is linked to an increased rate of muscle loss and cramping. Walnuts are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-derived omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce chronic inflammation. While pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral vital for testosterone production. Zinc plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, especially as testosterone levels decline with age. To maximize the benefits, aim to incorporate 1 to 2 ounces of mixed nuts and seeds into your daily diet, keeping in mind that they are calorie-dense, so portion control is key. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are an often overlooked source of protein that can be highly beneficial for older adults. While their protein content may not be as high as animal sources, legumes provide a unique combination of slow-digesting protein and resistant starch, which nourishes the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Research has shown that a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for reducing inflammation, which can otherwise contribute to muscle breakdown. Additionally, the fiber in legumes helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes and crashes that can lead to muscle catabolism. Regular consumption of legumes, 3 to 4 servings per week, has been linked to improved muscle maintenance in seniors. And they also offer important minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, which support muscle function and energy production. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard may not be the first foods that come to mind when thinking about muscle health, but their nitrate content can significantly enhance muscle function. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which improves blood flow to muscles, enhancing nutrient delivery and waste removal. These greens are also packed with calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for muscle contraction and preventing cramps. Furthermore, leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin K, which supports protein metabolism and muscle function. A study from the Karolinska Institute showed that older adults who consumed higher levels of vitamin K experienced less muscle loss. Aim to include at least 2 cups of leafy greens in your diet every day. Whether in salads, smoothies, or sautéed dishes, extra virgin olive oil may not be a protein source, but its anti-inflammatory properties make it a vital addition to a muscle-preserving diet. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation in a manner similar to ibuprofen. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major contributor to muscle breakdown as we age, and olive oil helps mitigate this process. Additionally, olive oil enhances insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for muscle cells to effectively use protein. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support the production of hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age and are essential for muscle health. Incorporating 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet, whether in dressings, cooking, or drizzled over vegetables, can provide significant muscle-protecting benefits. By making these nutrient-dense foods a part of your daily routine, you can take control of your muscle health and minimize the effects of aging. Maintaining muscle mass is not just about looking strong, it's about staying independent, active, and free from the risks associated with muscle loss. With the right diet, you can combat sarcopenia, improve your mobility, and enhance your quality of life for many years to come. So, don't wait until the problem becomes severe. Start incorporating these muscle-preserving foods into your meals today and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, healthier body as you age. As we have seen, maintaining muscle health is crucial for preserving independence and quality of life as we age. While sarcopenia, or muscle loss, is a natural part of the aging process, it doesn't mean we have to accept this loss without taking action. A proper diet and incorporating nutrient-rich foods are key to slowing down, halting, and even reversing the muscle loss that occurs over time. Foods like Greek yogurt, fatty fish, eggs, nuts and seeds, legumes, olive oil, leafy greens, and berries are excellent sources of nutrition that help protect and maintain healthy muscles. Adding these foods to your daily diet not only provides the essential nutrients needed to repair and build muscle, but also supports bone health, reduces inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. A diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals not only helps older adults maintain their physical health but also supports mental clarity, confidence, and independence in daily life. If you or your loved ones are facing muscle loss, changing your diet can bring significant improvements in both health and quality of life. However, nutrition alone isn't enough to maintain muscle. Combining a healthy diet with light physical activity, such as walking, yoga, or resistance training, will further enhance strength and endurance. When the body is strong, you'll feel freer, and performing everyday activities without assistance becomes easier. If you find this information useful and want to continue learning tips on how to preserve your health, protect your muscles, and improve your quality of life as you age, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel. We'll bring you valuable, easy-to-apply information that is tailored to the needs of older adults. Subscribe today so you don't miss any of our new videos on diet, exercise, and maintaining health at any age. Let us be your partner on this journey to protect your health and improve your quality of life. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please share your experiences and questions in the comments below so we can discuss and learn together. We look forward to supporting you and providing value to your life. Don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications to never miss an update from our channel.